What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Checking out this Porsche right now. No, I'm not going to get it. It's a friend of mine on this lot. It is nice in here. When I tell you it's nice, this thing is nice. She's sharp. You know, I used to think sometime, back in the day when I was a lot younger, like, boy, how they gonna feel when I come down and this shit, I'm gonna hurt their feelings. You know how we used to do it. I'm finna shit on somebody today. Now I don't even care about none of that. You know what I mean? I would rather be able to jump up and go to different states and travel and see different countries and eat good food than just ride around in something exotic just because I can say that I got over on them. I won on this deal. You know what I mean? It don't even mean anything anymore. But that's just part of growing up, man. Part of growing up, really getting your hog on. You start to realize what matters in life and what doesn't matter in life. Hog on.